and they scheming, they plotting, they fiending, they wishing, they dreaming. Good trying still.
Say something inspirational, bro. Say something cool, bro, for the camera one time.
We're here. We made it. I'm almost 30 years old. It's after 9 o'clock and we're awake.
Alright. Hey, age ain't shit, bro.
I like that.
Oh, I'm fucking with settings I ain't even know how to fuck with.
Brother, big dog. Big dog, nigga. It's supreme. What we do? We through. We outside. And it's like last minute low key. Come on. Come on. We doing shit. Nigga said DVC Worldwide. You already know what the fuck going on. Bow, bow, bow.